Hello! Du coup, cette semaine, comme il y a eu un tout petit vlog, je me suis dit, ben, pourquoi pas faire un petit react en milieu de semaine. Et comme aujourd'hui, j'avais envie de juste des trucs good vibes, quoi, d'être de bonne humeur, et bah, ça va être le thème de la vidéo. Voilà, on va réagir à des vidéos qui sont censées nous rendre heureux et où les gens sont heureux, et comme ça, ben voilà, tout le monde est heureux finalement. Bonne vidéo! La meilleure transformation triste à heureuse de tous les temps. Oh, j'adore les perroquets. Bah, j'adore les animaux en général, on est vraiment tous, mais oh non, vraiment trop cute. Il est adorable. Petit chou.
Wow, my girlfriend is actually sighted, everybody. This is the proof. Wow, she just looked back at me. How'd she do that?
I've been faking blind this whole time. Tell them what we're doing.
Oh, okay. I was like, Molly, let me take the cane from you so you can feel free. She didn't want to run, but she was okay to walk. So she's just walking, swinging the arms.
It's incredible the way sighted people, their arms are just free. It
Yeah.
feels really good to swing your arms when you walk.
Alright, je
My
m'attends.
arm is always like one's like stuck forward and the other is like hooked on to someone. I'm always stuck. This is wow. Look at this. It's so free.
Yeah.
And then we're doing it like in the what's the racing game again?
Oh, I guess like not
Forza. Yeah.
Yeah.
Forza We're doing it like in Forza Motorsport, where he walks behind me,
Yep. So I'm behind her.
and then I'm looking down.
Yeah. So if I walk over, she can hear my feet and then like kind of align it in the stereoscopic auditory cues.
Okay, wow, Mr. Science.
You see, you did it. Yeah, good job. You see?
And it's funny because I've been noticing that if I'm not paying attention and I do start to veer, I'm like veering to the left every time, and I don't know why I'm doing that.
Probably a little like
It might be because,
dominant on one foot.
well, it's also I'm probably used to Elton being on that side of me.
Yeah.
So I'm always used to a guide dog being on my left directing me. So maybe I just have a tendency to go that way.
No, I'm trying to film you from the
Oh.
side. I'm kind of
Well,
coming around.
you gotta tell me that because I'm trying to follow your feet to keep myself safe.
Anyways, it's
Anyway.
nice.
This is how a blind girl gets to go on a nice walk on her own.
Yeah,
No,
we
elle
love
est
this
trop
path
mignonne.
because it's this big, wide, flat path.
It's funny because I'm like, this is such a nice walk we're going on together. Meanwhile, I'm like fully in front of you with my back turned to you, and we're just chatting this way the entire
Yeah, no,
time.
it's nice.
But you know, as a blind person, the worst part is that I never feel free because I'm always tied to a cane, a guide dog, or a person presented guide. And the only times I'm ever free is like when I'm at home because I know my way around my own home, or like on a treadmill at the gym.
And
Where
even
I'm
then, like
holding
at
the
home,
hands.
there's lots of things you're having to feel for to avoid.
Mm-hmm.
And here you get to go for like hundreds of feet without worrying about hitting anything.
Freedom.
Bah ça vraiment, ça me met du baume au cœur. Voilà. Une jeune femme qui est aveugle et qui, du coup, là, elle marche sans sa canne, donc son chéri se met derrière elle, en fait, et la guide, en fait, elle entend. Si derrière il va à droite, elle va à droite, s'il va à gauche, elle va à gauche. Et du coup, bah, juste, elle se sent hyper libre parce qu'elle a pas les mains prises et elle est juste trop mignonne et j'adore. J'adore.
Hot dogs! Is that for me?
That's for us.
Oh. Well, you won't have to worry about the neighbors tonight, baby, because we're going to clean the table.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Lord, look what a meal.
Il est trop heureux de manger sa viande.
No. Do what you want.
Sa tête.
Fall apart. It's tender.
Is that mine?
If that's the one you want.
You better believe that's the one I want.
That's why I got you the platter.
Look what a princess. I'm so happy. Oh.
Ah, sa tête.
Yum, yum, yum. You need me to get you one out?
No, I'll get it.
Okay, you sure?
I'm sure.
This my baked potato?
Sure baked potato. There's salad and there's baked beans.
Le gros Stitch. Oh no. No. Mais écrit, je suis tellement contemporaine, elle va bien finir par l'avoir quand même, son Stitch. Ça, voilà, ça, c'est le jeu du démon. Ça marche jamais. Ah, ah, ah. Fallait que je me plaigne un peu. Oh, oh, elle est trop heureuse. Adorable. Oh non, trop. Oh, elle est trop cute. J'aurais fait la même réaction. Elle est trop mignonne.
All right, all we would need is like a very specific 10-inch 2x4 and then another one stacked just like this one over there. No way. No way. No way. Yes! Something like this? No way. Out here in the fields. All right, all we would need is like
J'adore.
a very specific 10-inch.
Ça, c'est vraiment le truc des darons. Ils ont des choses dans le garage, tu comprends pas. Franchement, tu comprends pas. Mais le jour où t'en as besoin, t'es bien content qu'il l'ait gardé toutes ces années. Le jeu d'acteur tue papa. Oh, ça me tue de rire, il est trop mignon. Oh. Oh. Oh non, c'est trop adorable. Je suis trop fan, les parents, ils sont géniaux. C'est des génies, les parents, vraiment. Alors ça, mais j'adore. Trop, trop mignon. Et d'un côté, je me dis, en même temps, quand t'es enfant, tu dois être refait, trop content. Mais en même temps, tu dois te dire, hé, ils sont venus jusque-là avec le ballon, ils peuvent pas faire rester réveillés juste le temps de me dire bon anniversaire au moins. Mais bon, c'est juste trop mimi. Il court en mode Naruto en plus. C'était drôle. Ça, pour ça, là, je peux chialer. Et vous savez pourquoi je chiale pas? Parce que je l'ai vue ce matin, cette vidéo. Ma jumelle me l'a envoyée ce matin. Mais sérieux, ils sont trop mignons. Hmm. Trop cute.
Give it to me. Forget it. He said no.
Il y a rien qui va.
Oh shit, give that to mommy real quick. Give that to mommy and you can have a cookie. No, give it.
C'était pas le meilleur coup à jouer, hein.
It's all going wrong.
Trop drôle. Et hop, retour à l'envoyeur. Alors ça, je peux chialer, ça. Ça, c'est nous.
Dress up to who you want to be today.
And I had to change phone cases. He's got his keys hanging.
Y'all look.
Oh, c'est trop mignon. J'adore. Là, le monsieur, là, ça a dû lui faire même toute sa vie. Il s'en souviendra toujours du petit garçon qui s'est déguisé en lui et tout à l'école. Oh non, c'est trop mignon. Je suis trop fan. Encore une fois, là, les parents, c'est des génies. C'est trop mignon. Et si ça se trouve, c'est même l'enfant qui a dit « moi, je vais me déguiser en lui » et l'enfant est un génie. Oh, Nino. Trop chou. Oh, va vite, lui. Oh là là. Le Dalmatien, il n'a pas compris qu'il fallait pas rester devant. Oh, moi, j'aurais peur qu'il se blesse. Hein. C'est le mec.
Get off. You literally have meetings tomorrow. Like you can't.
I want him to stay with me. Just let him be.
You get it.
He's grown.
You get it, right?
He has to do what he wants.
Each of these tell a little bit of the story. Back in '82, this woman and her dog were walking down the street really aggressive. It kind of made me uncomfortable. And I said to myself, I'm never gonna be uncomfortable like that.
Gorgeous.
You know, in high school, no one ever told me I was beautiful. And I was just like, if only one day I could just be gorgeous.
Come on, let's go party.
Yeah, that one I got in jail. And if anybody in those meetings can't accept me for me, then I'm not supposed to. That's not
Okay,
a meeting for me.
all right.
Trop mignon. Je suis trop fan. Petit cœur. Moi. Il fait incroyablement bien son travail. Il enlève le stress de son humain de devoir parler aux gens en mode il faut que je m'assure. Et en plus, il est adorable. Non mais sérieusement, si c'est pas la perfection. Je l'avais déjà vu. Oh, il est trop chou. Oh no. Il se laisse pas avoir. Hein. Oh, Vivo. Oh, petit chou.
What'd you say? What? You wrote me a joke? I usually do ADHD stuff. Yes, you have it. I can tell. You wrote the joke down? Okay. Tell it at work, you f***ing asshole. Pass me this joke that he wrote. I'll read this joke. Read it first. I want to set you up good, my guy. I don't want to read it, and then it's super racist, and then I get canceled. If you want to read it, you can come up here and read it if you want. Hang on. Is this who are you with? Who's this? Jenny? Is she? You know her? You know her? All right. Hang on. Here's the deal, Jenny. All right. Here's what I want. Just because this shit is so. Can you come? I want you to film him. Can you film him for my story? Would you mind coming up here? You come up. Do you mind filming him? I want you to tell the joke, and I want you to film it because that's the thing comedians do. You can't just tell the joke. We gotta fucking commemorate it. So, I know I'm not the easiest person in the world to deal with.
Oh no. Oh.
I know I'm not the easiest person in the world to deal with, but I can't imagine going through this life dealing with this world with anyone but you. Jenny, I love you. Will you marry me?
Non. Oh non, c'est adorable. Je m'y attendais pas. Hein. Pourtant, j'en regarde souvent des vidéos comme ça.
One of your better jokes, seriously. Yeah. Give it up for Jason and Jenny!
Oh. Trop cute. Ah, je suis fan. Je suis fan. Ah, je suis accrochée. Putain de cheveux là. Vraiment. Ouais. Et oupsie, j'ai oublié de filmer l'outro, donc je profite du montage pour vous dire merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé la vidéo. J'espère avoir réussi à mettre un petit sourire sur votre visage. Et puis moi je vous dis bisous.